Hello, old chap.
Oh, look at that there, that pie.
Oh.
It's black and burned. Is that there evidence of it? Oh, the Great Fire of London is gonna black and burn the pie.
Oh, good heavens.
The Great Fire of London, ain't you heard? That's black and burned, that your old pie, that is. Ain't you heard of it? Ain't you seen it before? Oh, that's black and burned, that good old pie.
Oh, dear.
I'll eat that pie up for dinner, even if it's black and burned. I don't care, I love me pie. Kiddy pie, that's me favourite, or oh, that's my favourite pie in the world, in the whole wide world, especially with that Giddish in it, though. Especially over there with that pie.
Interesting.
Oh, I say now, son, you get me or that pie together, I'll fucking do it, me, oh, I tell you, love, I will, I fucking, I fucking will, love, I don't fucking do.
Smoking on a soapbar in the sky. I smoke soapbar till
Oh, look at that there, it's black and burned. You ask me where I'm from.
I say.
Oh, I'm from Cornwall. Oh, no, sorry, from Norwich, that's right, yes. Just good old town up here in Bury St Edmunds, that is, up there in Bury St Edmunds. In good old Cornwall, Suffolk, could be fucking Norwich, like, oh, right. You are, yeah, alright.